Good morning, Sherri. My name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about one of our beautiful Hyundai Konas. We have several different color and trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up right behind me that I'm excited to show you, so let's dive in. Here in the front, Sherri, we have Hyundai's cascading grille, honeycomb cascading grille. We got the LED wraparound daytime running lights. We got the LED headlights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires. This one has the turn signal and blind spot detection in the mirror. Of course, keyless remote entry. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, premium cloth throughout the entire vehicle. Both seats in the second row fold completely flat. We got a 7-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated passenger and driver seats, and a ton of safety features such as cruise control, backup camera, lane keep assist, and lane departure warning. But the best part about our vehicles, Sherri, are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles as a Tameron exclusive. Yes, 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain warranty, unheard of. Give me a call. My personal cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. As for Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai, where you're gonna love the way you're treated.